Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can edit for TikTok's videos using CapCut PC or laptop. Alright, here I have opened my CapCut application on my laptop and I have imported my video as well, and I have dragged the material to this timeline. So if we want to edit for TikTok videos, we have to choose the suitable ratio for TikToks, and we can change the ratio right here. You just need to click on ratio, then I suggest you to choose this ratio, this 9:16 ratio, because this is the ratio that is suitable for TikTok. Okay, and now the ratio has been changed, and I'm just going to zoom in the video like this. Okay, and after that we can put music to our video to make it more captivating. We can click on audio, and I'm just going to add audio from my device, so I'm just going to drag the audio right here. You can also add audio that has been available on CapCut. You can click on music, then this is the CapCut audios. You can use it, and as you can see guys, that the audio is longer than the video, so I'm going to cut it. So just click on the audio, then cut, click on split, then just delete. Okay, and now the audio has been aligned with the video, and we're going to put tags. I'm going to put like the quotes for this video, so just click on tags and add tags. Then I'm going to select default and click on this plus button to add tags. Then we can type the tags right here, and for example I'm just going to add lonely night. Okay, and after that we can change the font of the tags. We can click on font right here, and I'm just going to select maybe this one. So this is just for an example guys. You can select the text or the font that you like, and I'm going to put stroke. Okay, and I'm going to increase the thickness. We can increase the font. Okay, and we can make the text align with the video, so just drag the tags like this. And now let's just take a look at the result guys. We can play the video like this. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can edit for TikTok videos using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.